my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade. Today I want to share with you how to make these adorable, super stinking cute cottontail Easter bunnies. They're super easy to make, so you don't want to miss this tutorial. And make sure if you're not subscribed to my channel, you click the subscribe button and also the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. I share a lot of tutorials and hauls that you don't want to miss. These little bunnies are perfect for home decor, to gift away for spring, put on your Easter baskets, or sell at your craft fairs. And I'm going to share with you my pom-poms here. I'm not sharing the tutorial in this video because I already have a tutorial on how I make them. So I'm going to link to the tutorial here and down on the description below so you learn how to make your own pom-poms with or without a tool. If you don't have a tool, I'll share with you how to make your own tool. Super easy. So here's how they look after you make them. I wanted them to look more fluffy and compact, so I decided to brush them. And I'm using this brush. I got this for my doggies, but I didn't use it on them because the bristles are really coarse. So I decided to save that for my crafts, and it's perfect to brush your yarn as you see me doing there. Make sure that you hold your yarn really tightly when you brush them so you don't remove the strands of yarn with your brush. And this is how it looks! Super fluffy and adorable. I recommend you do this in a well-ventilated area because you're going to have a lot of dust, yarn dust everywhere. I also cover my nose and mouth so I don't breathe the yarn dust. I made the larger pom-pom with a handmade tool that measures 3 3/4 inches and the smaller pom-pom with a handmade tool that measures 3 inches. And I layered the yarn 3 to 4 times. I leave a string or two on the pom-poms and then I tie like I'm going to tie a knot as you see me doing there, and I press. The more you press, the more your smaller pom-pom is going to go into the bigger one. So this is again how I do it. You press it until you have it where you want it. Then you're going to tie a knot, making sure that you don't let the yarn loose. And I'm going to tie actually up to 3 knots because I'm not using glue for this little pom-pom bunny. And once I tie my knots, I have the body completely together. Doesn't it look so cute already? So I'm going to use these little pom-poms. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and you can see here they're little fluffy pom-poms, and I got this sort of craft color. I think it matched perfectly with the colors I'm going to use for this bunny. So I'm going to place 2 of them side by side as you see me doing there. And then I'm going to glue them. I'm going to use this glue is the same as Fabri-Tac from Beacon, and I'm going to apply it to my pom-pom. I like it because it dries really quick, and it's like cold silicone glue. So I'm going to push my little pom-pom into my little head to make sure that it sets, and then I'm going to apply glue again to my other pom-pom, and I'm going to place it right where I want it. I'm going to press into the head of my little bunny so I make sure that they are tightly set. And then I'm actually going to separate the center, and I'm going to apply glue in the middle and press the 2 little pom-poms together. And that way I can guarantee that they're not going to separate. So it's looking so stinking cute. This is so easy to make. And I'm using these beads. I got this little tub at Hobby Lobby clearance haul for, I think it was $3.49. So I'm using this pink one, and I'm going to use these 2 black ones for the eyes. I like this because it has that hole in the center. I'm also going to use the pom-poms, a white pom-pom that I got also at Hobby Lobby. And they have a side that is more flattened, so I'm going to apply glue to that area, and then I'm going to place it on the back of my bunny wherever I want the tail to go. So this is my cottontail bunny. So adorable. This goes so quickly. You can actually make a lot of pom-poms and cut your pieces, and then you can make them assembly style and sell them at your craft fairs. So now I'm going to place my little pink pearl where I want the nose to be, and then I'm going to place the black little pearls wherever I'm going to glue my eyes. And I place them first before applying glue, so I make sure they are where I want them. And even after I place these ones later on, I just push them together a little more because I thought they look cuter. But look at how adorable. So stinking cute. You guys let me know down below how you like it. I'm using this wire, gold wire that I got from Hobby Lobby clearance. If you're going to gift this to a kid, make sure that you use thread instead. You can actually use nylon thread, and they would be better for your bunny whiskers, and your kids are not going to get hurt. So I'm going to roll around the little wire 4 times, and actually I'm going to roll it so it measures around 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to cut the edges of it so I get rid of the little loops. So after I do that, I'm going to apply glue to the center of my little wires, but before I'm going to thread them through the little pearl. So that's why I like that it has a hole already. If you're using wire as I'm doing here, you can actually twist the wire threads in the center so they don't move around. But I'm going to use glue in the center. I move my pearl to the side, and then I apply glue to the center and move the pearl to the center of the wires. Then I'm going to separate all the wires to make them look like whiskers. And after I do that, I'm going to apply glue to the area where I'm going to place them. So I already know because I placed my nose before. So now I'm going to apply the glue exactly to that area, a little blob, and then I can press my little pearl nose into the face of the little bunny. I love just placing the things together before I glue them so I can make any changes before messing it up. Doesn't it look so adorable? Look at those whiskers. So cute. So now I'm going to add this little ball. I made this ball with some ribbon that I had on my stash and some faux leather from Hobby Lobby. I really love how it turned out, and I love how it really matches with the colors of my bunny. So stinking adorable. Look at that! So I'm going to apply glue to my ball, and then I'm going to place it around the neck of my bunny where I want it to be. And this bunny comes together so easy. So you can see the back over here with the little tail. So stinking adorable. And our bunny is almost done. So now what we have to do is we have to put together our little ears. So I doodled some little petal like pieces, and I'm going to place them together. I cut one with pink felt and the other one with an ivory felt. So I placed them together and glued them exactly what I wanted them. And look at my little bunny, so stinking adorable. Look at the back, so cute. So you guys let me know down below how you like it. And I'm going to remove the strings, but if you plan to tie this to anything, don't remove the strings and tie it with the cords instead of gluing it. That way it would remove cleanly. Isn't it super adorable? It measures around 6 inches or 6.5 inches. And I'm going to use some more ivory felt, and I'm using this felt from Arteza. I really love this felt. It's stiff felt. It cuts like butter, and it's super nice quality. So I'm going to trace my heart and then cut it with my scissors, and look at how easy it cuts. I'm going to link to this felt down in the description below, and be aware I will receive a small commission if you purchase through my link. Be advised that purchasing through my link won't change the price that you pay for the felt. It just will help me earn a small commission, but your price won't be different. So if you like to purchase a felt, I would really appreciate if you consider using my link. So I'm going to press my little bunny, and I didn't apply glue to the whole heart area. I only applied to an area, and then once I know exactly how it's going to fit, I'm going to apply more glue so it glues the piece exactly how I want it. I'm going to press a little more, and my bunny is finished. Look at how adorable. Isn't it so stinking cute? It's so clean looking, so clean finished. And look at the back, so adorable. On the front, this is so stinking adorable. And you're looking over there at the bottom at another bunny that I made before. This bunny is so stinking cute. It's made with the sock and rice, and I have a tutorial for it that I'm going to link over here and down in the description below. So if you haven't seen it, you can watch it and learn how I made this little guy also. This is so stinking adorable. So I hope you guys like my tutorial. I hope you like my bunnies. Let me know down below. And thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for your love and support. Make sure that you stay safe and watch out for the coronavirus. Watch your hands all the time and keep everybody around you safe. Love you guys, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Mwah.